Sit down. Head up, anak. Head up.
Balik man tayo na ako sa
Oo, you can use fire. Let me finish muna your makeup. Don't close a little, don't close so ano.
The brush is thicker than
That's okay. Open your eye. Open. Yeah, slightly close.
It said open.
No. Wala pa. I said that we finish muna me doing your makeup first. Close your eyes. Come here, mommy.
Make your what? What happened if the color went inside my eye?
How it will go inside your eyes?
What will happen?
It will not go there.
My hair.
Okay. Don't close so much, nak. Just a little bit lang ba, no?
Like that?
Para I can spread the makeup. Okay? You see? Close a little bit. Yeah, ganyan lang, ganyan lang. Okay. Open eyes. A little bit. Close a little bit.
Mommy.
Na-cooperate na ka para pretty ikaw na. Okay? Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Come closer kay mommy. Then, open. Close your eyes a little bit. Close your eyes.
Itchy. Itchy, Ma.
Where? Oh, enough na. Hurry mo. Hurry pa nga.
Water, Ma. The
Because
water.
there's makeup kasi. Close your eyes.
So, dahil na ako gawin.
Oo, pastor na kaya natin the driver.
What's our driver?
Tita Donna's friend.
Oh.
Close your eyes.
So why cannot
Close
use
your eyes. Not that lang.
why cannot use tricycle yet?
Alright, pangani. Pangin pala. Alright.
I'll just hold it.
Alright, bakit? We're not yet done. Nak, sa makeup ni mo na. We are gonna be late na. Gusto mo na ba ni mo, ha? Pagpuyo, ha? Behave, anay, behave. Close your eyes. Ay, smile pala. Open your eyes, smile.
Yes? I like it.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ay, open your eyes para I can see your smile.
Mommy, what time can you use again my unicorn tumbler of the look?
Next time.
I'm going to use that now.
Close your eyes.
Ako upo. Today may ubus supper na. May ubus sup today.
Your obvious already soft.
What it means if it's already getting soft,
It
Mom?
means that you're healing.
It's
You're
healing.
getting better
In the
now.
last day, my ubo was
Head
really,
up.
in the last day, my ubo was really swollen. My throat,
Because you drink medicine kasi. If you drink medicine, the ubo gets soft. That's what they do. The medicine helped it. Okay. And lipstick na lang.
lipstick.
Time to put some. What's this?
Lipstick.
Lipstick na kami dyan.
Daddy allowed me to put lipstick.
Ah.
Ah. What am I writing?
Stop talking. When mommy is putting some lipstick, you don't talk. Wait lang ah. Wait lang. Init. Init. Wait lang. Wait lang. Init ah. 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 Ah.
Really sharp.
Sorry. It's like ano. See?
Can I use them for now?
Wait lang. Show me. Wait lang. Okay, let me see your face. Look, mommy here. Eyes, head up and smile. Smile. Yeah, pretty ba? Okay.
Don't make too much noise.
Oh, I did it by myself. Ganda pala ganito eh. Buti may mga tutorial. Look, mommy, nak. Look, mommy. Look, mommy. Look at mommy. Smile, smile.
So only these glasses can see, bring the words
Wow.
and the warmth to reality.